Okay, that's our Jeep out there, and this is the stairs we came up, and here is the ocean. And then we go through this door, and here's the kitchen. Oops, going too fast. And there's our table with some complimentary chocolate covered macadamia nuts. And there's the bulletin board. And this is our view. I'm so excited. And then there's the bed. And look. View. Bed. View. Bed. Okay, and then there's the music. Love this bathroom. Look at the skylight. Double sink. There's me. And here's the washer and dryer, and where we get to hang all of our clothes. And then over here, fabulous shower. And me again, toilet. Toilet. Cute little. Let the good times roll. I think we will. So we're going to go back out here. And this is our deck. And the view. And we have an outdoor shower. I'll go show you that real quick. That is right down there. And this is me being happy. So excited. Oh wow. Wow, look at these mountains back there. This is Hawaii, folks. This is real Hawaii. I'm excited.